Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be another entry unbagging because it's not a box. But this entry is from, I don't want to show anybody's address, Gina Valdez. So Gina, thank you for entering. I'm going to take everything out of the bag and show you guys what she sent. So pretty. Gave me a little note, which is for me. And then here is her tag flip. Okay, let me see here. So she is Gina Valdez on Instagram, and I think Gina Valdez on here as well. So I'll definitely have her link down below. Thank you so much, Gina, for joining in on the fun of my birthday challenge. And thank you for leaving me the note so that I can use the card in the future if I choose to. I appreciate that so much. So as you can see here, she sent me a little gift, and it is a notepad. Let me make sure that I am in frame. Yes, I am. I'm sitting down, you guys, because my back is no bueno. It's been killing me lately, and I've just been struggling so much. This is so cute. It says, "Love is sweet." I love notebooks. I have so many and I never use them. I love to just hoard them. And this one has little cupcakes, and you guys can see that it has like this little texture on it. So cute. I love it. And it's like birthday. So we'll leave the tag flip for the end. Here are her embellishments. Let me see if I can. Yep, I can. I love it when they put the opening on the bottom, because then I don't have to destroy like the bag topper. So here are her embellishments. Look how cute. I love this, the colors on this rosette. So pretty. Those are adorable. And then we have her handmade card. And look at that. I love the mint and the blue. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's like a minty blue. So cute. And then she has the envelope in the back. So if I ever want to use it, I have a card, you guys. And then we're going to go through her tag flip, and look how pretty this is. But before we go into it, I want to show you guys what she did here with the beading. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Don't know what my video totally cut me off, but let's get back into the tag flip. Look at this cute little beading that she did. I love these. They are gorgeous, Gina. Thank you so much. So pretty. I don't have anything like it. I love it. So this is her first page, and it says, "Oh, happy day." She's got some pretty little flowers, like a little flower trim. Cute little cake up here. She's got some little gemstones. So cute. You guys are messaging me that you're worried because you don't know how to make tag flips, but you guys are awesome. Look at this. Life is beautiful. Super pretty. And look at this one. She made a little shaker with a tool. Well, not tool. This is the, what do you call that? I can't remember the name. I'm sure you guys know what it is. Right here. It's kind of like tool, but it's a little bit more rougher. So pretty. I hate when I come on my videos, I don't know how to talk and I don't remember names of things. That happens to me all the time. And she has a little chipboard and a little flower. The chipboard says, "Yay." She has also cute little ribbons right here. You guys see that? Super cute. And then this one says, "Well, hello there, darling." And look at that little girl. And she's got some pretty flowers. And I like the texture of this paper back here. And then here she has a cute little mix of little kind of like holographic flowers. And it says "Smile." Cute little lippies. Super adorable. And look at this one. It has a little birthday cake chipboard. I think this is from the Hooray. And then look at the little flowers. And it says "Birthday." And then you guys, look at, she gifted me a bunch of those little gemmies from like Michael's. And I have the mint green one and the pink, but I didn't have the white with the light pink. So she gifted me a nice amount. Thank you so much, Gina, for that. I will definitely be using those on my projects. But that is, that is Gina Valdez's entry for my birthday challenge. Thank you so much for entering, and I look forward to seeing the rest of you guys' entries. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.